Former Vice President Atiku Abubakar has reportedly offered Labour Party's 2023 presidential candidate, Peter Obi, the vice presidential slot in a proposed single-term coalition ticket ahead of the 2027 general elections. According to The Punch, the offer was made during a private meeting between Atiku and Obi in the United Kingdom earlier this year. Atiku is said to have assured Obi that he would serve only one term and hand over power afterwards. According to reports, an insider confirmed that Obi had accepted to be Atiku's running mate, and Atiku has also agreed to serve a 4-year term and hand over power to former Anambra State Governor. The source said they have both agreed to sign a written agreement if necessary. The proposed alliance have revived memories from the 2019 presidential election, with both the PDP and LP battling internal crises. The coalition leaders are said to be considering the African Democratic Congress (ADC) as a possible platform. Atiku's media aide, Paul Ibe, declined to confirm the deal but acknowledged coalition discussions. Peter Ahmed, a close Obi loyalist and national secretary of the Coalition of United Political Parties, and Yunus Atanko, national coordinator of the Obedient Movement, also declined to confirm the single-term deal, but affirmed Obi's continued commitment to Labour Party unity. ADC chairman Raf Nwosu confirmed this party's involvement in the ongoing coalition talks, but wouldn't disclose if Atiku and Obi had formally approached him. What's your opinion regarding this new update? Share your thoughts in the comment box section below, and please stay tuned to Naija News TV.